we are going to continue our discussion about variables and data types. If you are interested in watching the previous videos on this topic, the links are given in the description box. We know that variables with numbers are called integer variables and variables with words and sentences are called string variables. We saw examples of integer variables like book equal to 2, puppy equal to 1, and string variables such as grade equal to A, hobby equal to basketball, pet name equal to Zoe. So, can we have variables where the values have numbers and words in it? Yes, we can. Let us go to Python and see an example. Let us say my house address is 12 Main Street. So we can create a variable home underscore address equal to within single quotes 12 comma space main space street. Okay. Here 12 is a number, comma is a special character, space is a special character, and main street are words. Now let us print address. So we write print within quotes home underscore address. Save the file and run the code. So our home address is printed. We can put numbers, words and special characters in the value. We have just seen an example. Now I have a very interesting question for you. Is this value 12 comma Main Street an integer or is it a string? Which data type is it? Is it integer because it has numbers like the number 12, or is it string because it has words like Main Street? The answer is it is a string. If the value has only numbers, then we can directly say that the data type is an integer. But if the value has anything other than numbers, like if it also has alphabets, words, sentences or special characters, then we should call it as a string. So we just saw an example of a value that has a mix of numbers, words and special characters. Now let us see values which has no numbers or words or special characters. So it basically has nothing. How is that possible? This is called an empty string. You can think of this empty string as something like an empty box with nothing inside. Let us see how to create a variable with empty string as value. So we can write name equal to within single quotes nothing. So this is called an empty string. This is allowed in programming languages. We can create a variable without giving any value. Since it is a string, we should definitely give single or double quotes. Let us print name. So I write print name. Let us save the file and run the code. Since we did not give any value, no value is printed. If I add a value for the name variable and print it, the value will be printed. So let us add Ani within the quotes. And now let us print it. So now Ani will get printed. Correct? Okay. So wow. So we learned how to create values which have mix of numbers, words and special characters, and we also saw how to create values without anything. So we are learning a lot of interesting information about string variables and values. See you in the next video to learn more. If you have any questions on this topic, please leave a comment and our team will try to answer your question. See you soon.